Really quickly, I'm going to show you guys how to access your owner's manual from inside the vehicle. Let's go here. We're going to start with features. Just like that, owner's manual right there. Takes a little time to load, and basically you'll be able to watch videos, do a visual search. You know, if there's something in particular that you're looking for in the vehicle, you also have a search tab here. So if it's garage related, let's just do that, hit search, and you have all the different garage door options here. So hope this helps. Again, if you're on the main screen, you just go to features, you'll see your different options, but you'll see owner's manual right here as well.